Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to show you some of the indoor plants that I have in my home. Really, plants make a lot of difference to your home. It increases your beauty and also pleasure. Every day you can check for their growth and they are lively. So it is really good to have plants. This is one of the beautiful indoor plants that grows taller of 4 to 6 feet height. This is of type Dracana and it requires very low maintenance and it is very attractive. It is a very good home decor for any place. This is another indoor plant that is bromelates, very pretty. Some leaves are in orange color and they are becoming green color. So this makes every room beautiful. This is a peace lily plant that I have purchased 2 years ago. It is been growing, but it requires little bit of light. Um, it also purifies the air in our home. This is a small indoor plant that I purchased 2 years ago. The name might be Dracena margina magenta, and we don't require any attention to these plants, only little bit of water weekly once, but they look so fresh every day. This is one more indoor plant, money plant. We don't need any care for this one. They are also air purifier. If you keep this one in any home, it can make a difference. This is a new plant in my home. This is a new addition. It's Anthurian plant. It has a red leaves, so it looks very beautiful. So the leaves are in red color, so it's very interesting. It is a basil plant. It requires a moderate light, so we are keeping near the window, and it has some medicinal properties. So it's growing inside. These are all our indoor plants which gives lot of joy and pleasure to our regular life, and they are very lively and immediate decoration to your home. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.